I want to take this opportunity to say big thanks to NIHOT. That's what they've already done. They approached me to bring indigent and widows for trainings and even for empowerment, and ask these indigent people, what exactly do they need as an assistance from NIHOT? I'm sure we are all aware NIHOT is a research institute on vegetables. That's their mandate. So they want to empower the indigents, the widow especially, through a scheme they are embarking on today.
The workshop today is to sensitize the vulnerables. We have a vulnerable group in our midst, the vulnerable with term bearers, the widows, the indigent, the physically challenged. So we want to sensitize them on the prospects of horticulture. We also want to know what their needs are in horticulture, so that NIHOT will be able to intervene in their situation. It covers all the areas of horticulture. Whatever may be their needs in horticulture, NIHOT will be ready to give it to them.
I know the major problem is that after empowerment, there must be a financial backing to these less privileges, because after the training, if there is no financial backing, there is no way they can execute. It means all the effort which will have been wasted. As we are being told that it's a federal government project, the leadership of this organization or something should be able to implore for more support, because the present Nigeria is focusing on agriculture, and they should endeavor to pass through the necessary channel like this NIHOT, who is connected to the federal source, to be able to bring out things that will be brought to the grassroots for their benefits.
By God's grace, after the training, I through the times I've wasted so much time, money and the rest things like that. Part of the training they are going to give us, I've gone through most of those training, but there is no financial backup. So that usually clashes the program for me. I just have the training, no financial means of carrying out the training at the end of the day. So I wish if after the training they give us something to start up, even if it's going to be seeds, to start up with.
The program is specifically meant for the vulnerable groups. We know we have the vulnerable groups in our society. Maybe they are widows, they are women, youths, and maybe the less privileged in the society. And we want to see how horticulture could help them to improve their livelihood. That is why we are bringing them up. And the first thing to be done is to assess their needs. So we are trying to conduct need assessment right away. And after the conduction of the need assessment, we are going to talk to them on prospects in horticulture, areas where they can tap in regarding their needs and their age group that will not be too strenuous for them. So we assess it, then we bring them back again based on what we are getting from the need assessment. We continue to train them as we are empowered by the institute to do so.
Chairman NIHOT, wọ́n ti sọ fún wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan nǹkan tá à ń ṣe nínú iṣẹ́ yìí. Ara iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ni, but iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ tó tún yàtọ̀ ni. Nínú iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ gbogbo wọn máa sọ pé food security. Ṣùgbọ́n nínú horticulture, a máa sọ pé food and nutrition security. Túmọ̀ sí pé n tó fara lóore inú iṣẹ́ horticulture ló wà.
Oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ló wà, irú ginger bí àwọn màmá wa ṣe sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan, irú ginger yẹn náà a ti ń gbọ́ nípa ginger, nísìnyí ginger ti ń wọ́n, nígbà tá a ti mọ èlò ẹ̀, a ti mọ àǹfààní tó ń ṣe sí wa lára. Irú ginger yẹn tá a bá gbìn, ìsìn a lè ro ní 50 naira. Tá a bá ra oní 50 naira yẹn, a lè kan sọ́nà bíi mẹ́wàá bíi 20. Ẹ jẹ́ àgbìn sí kọ́nà. Ìgbà tá a máa fi mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ti yọ o. Tó bá fi máa di oṣù bíi 8 tó ti wà lórí ilẹ̀, àwa lè yọ. Ẹ rí i pé gbogbo á ti wá pọ̀ ńlẹ̀ gan-an. Tó bá ti pọ̀ yẹn tí àwa náà a lè tà gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tí wọ́n ti bá wa sọ tẹ́lẹ̀. Torí nǹkan tá a máa yọ ń bẹ̀ nínú oní 50 naira yẹn kì í ṣe kékeré. So àwa náà wá lè wá dì í ká sọ pé a fẹ́ tà.
Nǹkan tó pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ ni pé kò sí nǹkan kan nínú nǹkan tí ẹ gbìn tó waste. àwọn èpo watermelon mọ́ nǹkan kan yẹn a máa fi ń ṣe organic fertilizer wọ́n dá sílẹ̀ tó kó kínní yẹn I do it personally. ewu ẹni tó bá ń ṣe ehoro nínú wa tó bá mọ bó ṣe ń ṣe ètò ehoro ó lè ṣe kọ́tọ́ pé ní organic pesticide lára ẹ̀. there is not ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ máa rò pé gàrí àtẹlẹgbọ̀n nípa lára ẹ̀gẹ́ tá a máa rí kọ́tà lè mú lára ẹ̀gẹ́ ó lé ní 35 up to ethanol ṣùgbọ́n báyé ṣe ní Nàìjíríà kó ló ń ṣàánú wa òkè ní problem ìsàlẹ̀ ní problem àárín ní problem ṣàlọ́ àtàwọn àjòkó yìí gan kó ló ń ṣàánú wa ni.
What I think the government can do is for them is to empower them. It's not necessary that they should buy maybe big what is it called, big machine for them to start. They can start from small, and as they monitor them the way they are producing it, it will ginger them to be giving them bigger materials to work with.
The idea is how we are going to be empowered to be able to make things from fruits, from vegetables, and bring about the proper value chain network of it. We work as a group, it makes things easier. There are a good number of institutions that will be able to provide support, financial support these days, but they won't give it to individuals. So you need to form cooperatives that can be traced, agri-cooperatives. But there are lots of others that are even the problem. People are not sincere as we should be. People don't work smartly. We don't work in synergy. So the farmers needs to get this, the women also needs to get it. I support this program because it's about empowering the women. When a woman is empowered, the home is safe.
Nǹkan tó ṣe dáa, ó dẹ̀ wà interesting dáadáa. So wọ́n kọ́ wa bá ṣe lè kákan má jókòó sílé. So bá ṣe máa ṣe àwọn kan díẹ̀díẹ̀ bíi ilá ẹ̀fọ́. Nǹkan tá lè fi ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe, wọ́n la fi ṣe oríṣiríṣi nǹkan. So tá bá láǹfààní láti gbọ́yé dáadáa, àwa náà lè dá nǹkan máa ṣe fúnra wa tá ní máa wojú bóyá tọkọ wa bá dé. Torí àwa sábà lọ́kọ àwa ìṣòkò, ṣùgbọ́n àwa náà a ní ìdìrànlọ́wọ́, so ló jẹ́ ká wá síbí.
Wọ́n ní kí àwa opó àwọn tí wọ́n bá fi orí ká lè bá rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Wá dúpẹ́ gidigidi, Ọlọ́run ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́. Gbogbo àwọn tá a wá bí lónìí, àwọn ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí wọ́n kọ́ wa, gbogbo ìrànlọ́wọ́ tó bá ṣe wá ká lọ gbé ìgbésẹ̀ nítorí pé ká lè bá a mọ rí àtijọ́ àti ìgbésẹ̀ tí a fẹ́ gbé ní ara.